In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will create a Google contact based on newly submitted Typeform response. So let's start. Select Typeform as a trigger. Next, choose New Form Response as a trigger event. In order to establish the connection, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. We will cover how to create a new connection in our separate video series. Next, select the appropriate form where we have to gather our responses. Now, based on the response, we have to create a Google contact. So, in steps, select Google Contact. Choose Create Contact as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now, add field from Typeform app data tree. And we are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. So we have to submit a new Typeform response. So let's go to Typeform, add name, phone number, email, and status. Submit the response. Then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Google Contacts. Refresh the page. We can see a new Google contact has been created as per the Typeform response. In this way, we can create an automation journey to create a new Google contact based on Typeform response. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.